Okay, now this is Trupti. I'm going to share my screen with you all. Okay, this is my presentation. So today I'm going to discuss about the vitamins. Okay, so now we do our regular daily activities, and we know that for doing all these activities we need energy. We get this energy from the food what we eat. But apart from the regular food, we are also supposed to include some of the chemical compounds, very small amount, but they are required for the regular biological functions and maintenance of our body. So the compounds which we take in small amount for the regular maintenance of the body, we call them as vitamins. So apart from regular food, we are also expected to include these vitamins in our regular food. Now we'll see the classification of the vitamins. They are classified into two types depending on the solubility, the fat soluble and the water soluble. Now fat soluble vitamins are stored in our body since they are fat soluble, so they remain stored in our body. The excess of these vitamins can be harmful for the body. But if I talk about the water soluble vitamins, if you take them in excess also, they are excreted through the urine. So they are not hazardous to the body if you take them in excess also. So there are two types, fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Let us find out now fat soluble vitamins in detail. The fat soluble vitamins we have A, D, E and K. The vitamin A is found in carrots, sweet potatoes, apricot, paprika. So these are generally the red or the orange color food. In that we get the vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A can cause night blindness. Vitamin D is generally prepared in our body itself, but we know our work schedules nowadays, we are not that much exposed to the sunlight. Therefore, we can include some of the food like seafood, salmon, catfish, trout, oyster, milk, egg. If you don't take vitamin D properly, it can cause improper growth of the bones. Vitamin E is generally found in sunflower seeds. Almond is one of the good source of the vitamin E. Spinach, asparagus. The vitamin E deficiency can cause the weakening of the muscles. Then we have vitamin K, which is found in spinach, broccoli, parsley, lettuce. This is required for our body for the blood clotting function. So if you don't take vitamin K properly, it can increase the time of the blood clotting. So these are the fat soluble vitamins we have in our body, that is A, D, E and K. As I mentioned, we are supposed to take them in proper amount, not in excess also, because in excess amount also they can be harmful for the body. But at the same time, the proper amount is also important because we are not supposed, we should not have. Now we have water soluble vitamins. We have all B complexes, B1, B2, B6, B12. Even B9 is important, which is a good source of folic acid. B1, B2, all these B complexes we get in meat, poultry, then eggs, fish, milk, leafy vegetables. Deficiency of B1 can cause beriberi, B2 can cause disorders in digestive systems, B6 can cause convulsion, B12 can cause decrease in red blood cells. Vitamin C is found in citrus fruits, orange, lemon, then broccoli, papaya, green leafy vegetables. Deficiency can cause the bleeding in the gums. So these are water soluble vitamins. Nowadays we know that we are having lots of artificial supplementary available for the vitamins. But definitely this artificial supplementary cannot replace the natural biological active components which are present in these natural resources. Therefore, we are supposed to include these natural resources rather than relying on the artificial supplements. Thank you. I hope you found my presentation useful.